should probably do something fun before I turn red. Wonder where my friends are. Hey, Mei. Hey. Hi, Abby. How are you? Hey, Mei. There's another girl that looks just like you. I saw her on TV. I saw her. There's no other girl that looks like me. What do you mean by looks like me with red hair? No. No. She turns into an animal when she gets excited. Oh, Happy, you're so funny. Wish I had a friend like that. Hey, what do you mean you should have a friend like that? I'm not good enough? Oh, you're very good. But you don't understand what it means to turn into a panda. Of course I do. Hey, what just happened? Hey, Mei! Yeah, you do, right? Jeez, who turned off the lights? Get this thing off my head. Okay, Abby, I'll help you. Hey, was it a little bit funny? That was not funny. All right. So, tell me about this girl. Yeah, her name is Barbie. And she can turn into a puppy and a bunny and... Oh, how cool. Yeah, look, she's right behind you. Oh, wow, how cool is that? Hi, Barbie. All right, what you waiting for, Mei? Go and open the box. Okay, Abby, let's do this. Wait, what? If you put her face in the water, in cold water, she'll get some freckles and she'll get a cute little heart on her nose? I want to see this. And she comes with 10 surprises and a pet. I could use a pet. I'm so lonely. All right. You're not so lonely. I'm always with you. Yeah, you're right. All right, guys, let's open this box and see what we have. So excited. You can touch it here and feel her. She's super soft. Let's see. Who do we have? Are you guys ready? Wow, look at this. She is so cute. Oh, hello, beautiful. You are such a cutie. You really are, and you're super soft. Ba-boom! Hey, what happened to you, Mei? Well, I got very excited to make a new friend that looks just like me. Now I feel left out. Oh, don't. So let's see who's under this beautiful costume. Let's see, guys. Are you guys ready to see her face? I am so excited. Wow, look how cute she is. Hi, Barbie. Okay, guys. So let's see, what else do we have? You kind of look like me too. Now I don't feel left out. Your hair matches my outfit. Hi, Abby. Yes, I do. I kind of match you too. Oh, you're not alone. Yes, I'm not. All right, let's see, what do we have in the blind bags? The first blind bag, what do we have? She has some cute boots and a beautiful headband. Oh, it's a puppy headband. How cute. Hey, can I get those boots? I like their color. Of course, I can share. Okay, let's see what's in the next bag. Oh, how cute, the puppy that matches her. Oh, how lovely. I love that cute little puppy. Me too. Woof, woof. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. What is this? This is a comb. How cute. And it has a beautiful sponge over here. Let's see what the sponge is for. And we have a cute dress. It's just a skirt. Beautiful. So why don't we dress our Barbie real quick? And let's get these cute feet off. This cute jacket. she's so beautiful, guys. She's really, really beautiful. Okay, and she's ready to get dressed. So, guys, with this, you can actually just flip the jacket inside out, and that will be her top. Just like this. Look how cute. This is pretty amazing. Oh, I love it. And just like that, she's got her jacket. This is her top. I can use that jacket. I love it. I can share with you. Don't worry, Abby. And then we're gonna put her skirt. Here we are. Oh, how cute. She looks amazing. And then she needs some shoes. She's super tall. Yes, you're super tall. Sit down. Oh, Abby, be nice. All right, then let's put her cute boots on. Hey, I told you I want those boots. You can have them maybe later on. Okay, just like that. And now, let's see her hair. Wow, her hair is so pretty. Let's brush it. I want hair like that. Okay, Abby. I'm sorry I can share my hair with you. She's so beautiful, you guys. And then we can put her headband on. Hey, don't knock me down. I know you're beautiful, but sorry, Abby. And her headband, just like this. She's so cute. Guys, let's see what happens when we put her face in cold water. Hey, why don't we try the puppy first? Let's put the puppy's face in the water. Let's see what happens with the puppy. You guys ready? Let's see. Oh, wow, look. The puppy opens her eyes. So cute. And then... All right, Barbie, get in there. Get in the cold water. All right, Abby. Let's see what happens to her face. All right, you guys, so she gets some freckles and she gets a cute little dot, and her eyes, if you look really close, they have purple in them now, and also she has purple makeup all the way on top, just from the cold icy water. Oh, let me see what happens to my face if I dunk in water. Nothing. Nothing. You're so silly, Abby. Hey, you guys, let's see if we can get Mei Mei to enjoy too. Oh, I love to be out too, just like you, Barbie. This costume is super, super hot. Hey, Mei, I actually have these babies. And they color reveal. Do you want to unbox them with me? I would love to. I love, love, love babies. How about me? Okay, Abby, you can be with us too, of course. All right, let's see, guys. So we have the first baby. Oh, wow. Let's see what we have in here. How cute. We have some blind bags. Wow, look at this baby. She looks like baby Buddha. Oh, so cute. And the baby comes with a big hat. Wow, look how cute, guys. Ha ha ha. Oh, it's kind of silly. She kind of matches me. Yes. And the baby comes with a bottle. How cute is this? I can't wait to feed the baby the bottle. And what else is the baby coming with? Let's see. There is a blanket for the baby. So let's reveal this cute little baby, guys. Let's see what do we have. Okay, we're gonna put some water. Let's see our baby. We have to give him a good bath. this purple stuff is coming off. Look at this. Whoa, it's so messy. Come on, baby. I want to see you. Wow, this is like super, super cute, baby. Oh, I love this water. Can I just jump in? Okay, Abby, it's my color. All right, Abby, here's our baby. Let's dry the baby up. Oh my goodness, what a cute little baby. Can I give him the bottle? Of course, Mei Mei, here you go. Oh, how cute, baby. This is so adorable, you guys. Do you love babies? Oh, let me hold the baby. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, Abby? Abby, do you like my baby? Yes, I do like your baby. Why are you so jealous, Abby? I need a baby too. All right, let's get the other baby out. Hey, this is my baby. All right, Barbie, let's get you a baby, okay? So let's see. Let's see what cute little baby we have in here. Another purple baby. Wonder if it's the same. Kind of looks the same. Let's see. Choo-choo-doo-doo-doo. Choo-choo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, this is definitely my baby. She matches me. Yes, she does, Barbie. Okay, let's give her a bottle. Let's see this beautiful... Oh, I think we didn't get all the paint off. Let's get her beautiful hat on. Oh my goodness, look how cute she is. Oh, I love you, baby. Oh, I love you too, Mommy. And guys, let's get her bottle. She is hungry. Oh, this one comes with a pacifier, not a bottle. Okay, here we are. Let's give her the pacifier. Oh, I love you. Oh, you guys, babies are so cute. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Hey, you. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Love you. Mwah.